If you have a Tazer JL aftermarket programmer, you may be due for an update. Stick around. We'll show you how to update so you can get the latest cool features. Welcome back. My name is Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant, and today we're going to be showing you how to update that pretty cool little programmer you got called the Tazer JL. Now, if you don't know what a JL Tazer is, it's an aftermarket programmer that allows you to do lots of different functions and features with the vehicle, like changing tire size, turning the TPMS off, turning that annoying stop-start off, and maybe some traction control. Just tons of different features that it offers. If you want to learn more about it, make sure you hit the description down below to zautomotive.com. If you do decide to buy one, then make sure you use the discount code JeepInformant2. That'll get you a 5% discount. So let's get started. Now, you're going to need a couple things here to update this Tazer. First is a computer with internet access. You're going to need the JL Tazer itself along with the cable that it came with. Now, next we want to download the actual software that it takes to program this Tazer itself. So right here you see where I'm clicking Z Automotive Programming Utility. Now it gives you two options, Windows or Mac. I'm using a Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and download this. I've heard that the Windows version is a little bit easier than the Mac version. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up the download file and install the program itself. Now, once you get done installing the program, then you're going to need to connect the Tazer itself through via USB port, and you're going to get this set of blinking lights here showing that it is making connection. Now, as you can see here in the top right corner, it is connected, and once it's connected, then you're going to click this little drop down and find it right there. It says USB serial. That's our JL Tazer. Then we're going to click connect. And so then after we get connect, we're going to have to go back to the software and actually download the software. So scroll down till you find the Tazer right there with the Jeep grill and the two headlights. Click that. And then right here is where our update's at. Now, if you have a Mac, if you have a Windows, it automatically will fetch the new update. But if you have a Mac, then you have to go right here and click this 11.0.2 update or whatever update that you're trying to update it to. So once you click that, it starts to download. Once it downloads, then we're going to have to come over here and find the file. There's our file. It went into my downloads. I double click that, and then it comes over here into this utility, and you're going to click flash. Once you start the flash, it's going to actually start to do its update. Now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to where it's completely up to date and show you what happens there. Alright guys, it is now up to date, and you can see that by it says complete right there. And once it's completed, I got this little flashing red light, and I guess just telling me that it's done. So before that, it was blinking the green and the red. Now you can go ahead and unplug the JL Tazer from the computer and go have fun with it out in that Jeep. Now, Z Automotive has made this very user-friendly to update, and we do appreciate that. The last time I talked to the owner, he said that he was coming out with updates fairly often, so make sure you keep a check back on the website, and I will let you know also when there becomes an update available for this Tazer JL. So have fun with it, guys. Enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Thanks, and have a great day.